Yeah, I don't know, bro. So I don't know if. See, I don't know.
But I mean, they're always dirty.
Nah,
like
but
this, though.
not like that. I mean, if you, even if cars, right? I mean, even if you car had 500,000 miles, it's still pretty transparent. So why do you do the trend like every oil service? Isn't that kind of overkill?
No, you have to. Usually. That's
Oh, yeah, that's required.
Usually, yeah. But then you ride hard, so I usually do the whole thing in general.
You open up a shop, you don't need a whole lot of space. Literally 2-3 bike lifts, I think.
Yeah.
Like they say they did it, but like I mean, how do I really know?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
You
the
know.
tires, obviously, I know they did it because you know I saw the old tires versus the new
Yeah.
tires. But I guess you got those racks from work. The black one? You got the black rack from work?
Don't tell them.
Yeah.
Why don't you explain like what we're doing and stuff, like a vlog?
I mean, technically they're hearing us talking right now, anyways.
Yo, what up? What up, YouTube? Or maybe it's like a tutorial, you know, like a very simple.
we already.
I'll explain, you know, what we did.
We could do that.
Like,
Yeah.
Don't record me on this one.
Don't record the vaping. Why not?
These are the drain bolts. Where's the other one?
You on that side.
This one's the engine. This is the trans. You can tell by this. The little
The nipple?
magnetic thing right here on the bolt.
Yeah.
So you're gonna use the 5/8. So everything's standard on this bike. So you're gonna use 5/8 for the drain plugs. You're gonna have, I don't know if you can see it, but you're gonna have a trans bolt right here.
No, I can't see it.
Well, it's down here. You can see it right here. The engine oil drain plugs right here. They're all 5/8.
Yeah, you can see that.
And this is the primary, so this is the 5/8 too. 2.5, 3 quarts, depending on how long you drain it for on the engine. And then this is the engine fill, and then this is the trans fill. But I don't zap it where like I don't zap it. Zap it enough and the ratchet.
Servicing the old fucking Dyna Lowrider S. Talking about that overloading, right? Yeah, orange one. Yeah, I don't know, bro. So I don't know if.
But I mean, they're always dirty.
Nah,
like
but not like. It's just like, what the fuck are they doing? Why is he holding a GoPro? They're fucking vlogging. It's funny because like people on YouTube, they say that you should try and like talk different.
Let's fill it back up.
Don't record the vaping. Why not?
So you know when you take this off, you're gonna have oil, right?
Yeah, I know.
So you get this. Stick it in here. Sheesh.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking dark, dude. I don't know.
Yeah, because you ride hard.
I mean, staying in the fucking throttle, doing the wheelie. It's too much of a bitch. I'm not fucking stay in it. I know I don't stay in it. I like once it gets up, I just let go of the throttle.
I'm gonna try to get liquid molly next time. Let's try that out.
Or is it my fucking Amsoil? I got Amsoil, man. I guess you guys teeth for a while.
Primary side. It's 1 quart.
I'm sure eventually we will. Yeah, right now we're just fucking we're just hobbyists doing service on our own bikes. I don't think even on my CBR that are torqued down anything. It's just fucking forearm strength, you know. everything was fine.
Push it back. Ready?
Yeah. Don't record the vaping. Why not?